So we're installing about 18 screen panels today for this customer to enclose their screen porch. They had a contractor come in and build out their porch, install wood stops that we're screwing our screen frames to. When we're complete, they'll be able to enjoy this outdoor room all year round. Follow us for more.
We're using 1 1/4 inch anodized drywall screws. All right, we are finishing up on our screen porch panel installation today. And as you can see, this is a beautiful view from this customer's back porch. We used pool and patio screen for excellent visibility. From the outside looking in,
And that's how you install screen panels for a wood frame screen porch. Number 1, you have to make sure the porch is framed up first. Number 2, the porch has to have wood stops installed all the way around each opening so that we can screw our screen frames to the wood stops. And number 3, if you want to hide the screws that we use, you need to make interior stops to install afterwards, just for aesthetic reasons.
tools we use for this screen porch installation are a Makita cordless 18-volt drill with a number 2 Phillips head bit, and one with a 1/8 inch drill bit, so we can pre-drill our holes. It makes for a cleaner installation and we don't accidentally slip and poke the screen. So we need 2 drills. We use a tack puller for pushing on the sides of the screen frame to stretch out the screen and make it tight, make it look good, give it a good finish.